Hi, my name is Kristen. I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making a heart penguin. So the supplies you'll be needing are black paper, white paper, red, and also orange paper, along with a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and a pencil. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your black paper and cut out an oval for the body of the penguin. Now you're going to take your black and white paper and cut out circles for the eyes. So when you're done cutting out the eyes, you're going to go ahead and glue them on the body. When you're done with that, you're going to take your orange paper and cut out a beak. Then, when you're done cutting out your beak, you're going to glue it onto the body. So now you're going to make the belly of the penguin by folding the white paper in half and drawing half of a heart shape along the fold and cutting it out. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and paste it on the body. Next, you're going to take your red paper and do the same thing as you did for the white, except make a smaller heart. Now you're going to take your black and orange paper and do the exact same steps for the arms and the feet. So I hope you enjoyed making this craft, and I'll see you next time.